10 reasons why iPhone is so fast. Optimized software. iOS is specifically designed to work seamlessly with the hardware, which optimizes the performance and speed of the device. Low-level hardware and software integration. The integration between the hardware and software is very tight, allowing for faster data transfer and efficient use of system resources. Custom GPU. iPhones use custom-designed GPUs, which are optimized for iOS and provide faster graphics processing. Efficient memory management. iPhones use efficient memory management techniques, such as compressing data and closing apps that are not in use, which makes them run faster. Apple's control over the ecosystem. Apple has control over the entire ecosystem, from hardware to software, which allows them to optimize and fine-tune every aspect of the iPhone's performance. Minimal bloatware. iPhones come with minimal bloatware, which reduces the amount of unnecessary processes and services running in the background. Regular software updates. Apple releases regular software updates for iOS, which optimize and improve the performance of the device. Powerful hardware. iPhones are equipped with powerful processors, such as the A-series chips, which provide fast and smooth performance. Fast flash storage. iPhones use fast flash storage, which allows for quick app loading times and faster access to data. App Store optimization. Apple's strict App Store guidelines ensure that apps are optimized for iOS and are not resource-intensive, which helps maintain the speed and performance of the device.